Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best replacement filters is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining a healthy home environment. These filters are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly to capture dust, allergens, and other airborne particles. Choosing the right replacement filter is crucial for ensuring your air purifier functions effectively and continues to provide clean, fresh air for you and your family. Number 5. Homedics TotalClean HEPA-Type Air Purifier Filter. This is a replacement filter for your Homedics TotalClean air purifier. It helps create a cleaner and healthier breathing environment for you and your family. The filter captures up to 99% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. It also includes a pre-filter and carbon odor filtration to reduce unpleasant smells. This filter is designed for Homedics TotalClean AP-T20 and AP-T20WT air purifiers. It's a 360-degree HEPA-Type filter that eliminates odors and reduces allergens. For optimal performance, replace the filter every 12 months under normal usage. Remember to vacuum the pre-filter monthly to keep it working efficiently. You'll receive one Homedics TotalClean 3-in-1 HEPA-Type air purifier filter replacement. It's everything you need to keep your air clean. What we like. This filter captures up to 99% of airborne particles, making it ideal for those with allergies or sensitivities. It also reduces unpleasant odors, perfect for homes with pets or cooking frequently. If you are looking for a filter that provides long-lasting performance and cleaner air, you should consider this one. What people say. The filter's effectiveness is demonstrably evident in the unit's cleanliness after maintenance. Following a period of several months of inactivity due to illness, the unit remained remarkably clean, while the filter accumulated significant debris. Simple vacuuming of the filter fully restored its functionality. Filter replacement is required only every 2 to 3 years, despite the presence of 5 dogs, indicating excellent performance. OEM replacement. Fit great and works well. These filters are awesome. They absorb a lot of dust and particles out of the air for a nice blanket around the filter so you can remove it easily. Number 4. HSIAMEN AP-T45 Replacement Filter for Homedics. This AP-T45 filter replacement is designed specifically for Homedics TotalClean Tower Series models. It fits perfectly, just like the original filter that came with your unit. It's also compatible with several Costco models. The filter uses a 4-stage filtration system, including a pre-filter, H13 True HEPA filter, activated carbon filter, and net filter. This comprehensive system effectively purifies the air in your home, removing various pollutants. The H13 True HEPA filter removes most airborne particles, including common allergens like pollen and pet dander. With this filter, you can enjoy cleaner air and breathe easier, creating a more comfortable environment for everyone. The activated carbon filter eliminates unwanted odors from cooking, pets, and smoke. It neutralizes these smells, ensuring a pleasant indoor environment. You'll notice a difference during pet playtime. It is recommended to replace this filter every 6 to 12 months, depending on air quality and usage. This filter ensures year-round pure air with zero hassle. Maximize savings for your air cleaning needs. What we like. This filter features a 4-stage filtration system, ensuring comprehensive air purification. It effectively eliminates unwanted scents, making your home smell fresh. If you have pets or live in a home with smokers, this filter is an excellent choice. It will help you breathe easier and enjoy a more comfortable environment. What people say. The AP-T45 AP-T40FL replacement filter is a perfect fit for my 146-1901 Homedics air purifier. It was easy to install, and I could immediately tell the difference in air quality. The filter works just as well as the original one, keeping the air fresh and clean. It has been great for capturing dust, allergens, and other particles, and I appreciate how well it fits and functions. These replacement filters for my air purifier are top-notch, cleans the air wonderfully, making my home smell fresh. They are easy to use and change out of your air purifier. The air feels clean. Number 3. HSIAMEN AP-T10FL filter for Homedics AP-T10. This AP-T10FL replacement filter is designed specifically for Homedics TotalClean Tower Series models. It fits perfectly and works just as well as the original filter that came with the unit. The filter features a 3-stage filtration system, including a pre-filter, a H13 true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. This system effectively purifies the air in your home, making it ideal for homes with pets, cooking, or smokers. The H13 true HEPA filter removes most airborne particles, including common allergens like pollen and pet dander. With this filter, you can enjoy cleaner air and breathe easier in your home. This filter provides purified air at an affordable price. You can save significantly on your year-round air cleaning needs with this replacement filter. Purchase with confidence. It is recommended to replace the filter every 6 to 12 months, depending on air quality and frequency of use. We are committed to providing ongoing support whenever you need it. What we like. This filter provides 3-stage premium filtration at an affordable price. It is designed to remove most airborne particles, including allergens. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to improve your air quality, you should consider this filter. It's a great value for the performance it delivers. What people say. The AP-T45 AP-T40FL replacement filter is a perfect fit for my 146-1901 Homedics air purifier. It was easy to install, and I could immediately tell the difference in air quality. The filter works just as well as the original one, keeping the air fresh and clean. It has been great for capturing dust, allergens, and other particles, and I appreciate how well it fits and functions. These replacement filters for my air purifier are top-notch, cleans the air wonderfully, making my home smell fresh. They are easy to use and change out of your air purifier. The air feels clean. Number 2. DAJDAH AP-T10FL replacement filter for AP-T10 series. This AP-T10FL filter is designed specifically for the AP-T10, AP-T10BK, and AP-T10WT air purifiers. Make sure to double-check your purifier's model number to ensure a perfect fit. It's the ideal replacement for your air purifier. The AP-T10FL filter uses a HEPA-Type filter to capture particles as small as 0.3 micrometers. It effectively removes dust, hair, lint, and other common pollutants, including pet dander and odors. The purification rate is over 99.9%. This filter features an activated carbon layer to eliminate various odors and fumes. It tackles volatile organic compounds, tobacco smoke, cooking smells, and pet odors. It significantly reduces household odors, leaving your air fresh and clean. The AP-T10FL filter is a true H13 HEPA filter, perfect for families with babies, the elderly, and pets. It helps alleviate asthma, coughs, sinusitis, sneezing, and pet allergies. It protects you from adverse gases and particulate matter, allowing you to enjoy a relaxing life. This filter offers guaranteed quality and durability, extending the life of your air purifier. Using this replacement filter helps you save money in the long run. Replacing the filter will give you a new and different feeling. For optimal performance, replace the AP-T10FL filter every 6 to 12 months. Installation is tool-free. Remove the plastic packaging before placing it in your air purifier. If you have any questions, we are available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This filter offers deep, hyperfine purification, effectively removing tiny particles. It efficiently removes various odors, creating fresh air. If you have babies, elderly family members, or pets, this filter is perfect for creating a healthy and relaxing environment. You should consider this one for a truly clean and comfortable home. What people say. This filter fits perfectly in my Homedics air purifier, and it lasts about 6 or 7 months with continuous use. My purifier is never turned off. I have no issues installing it, and it works just fine. These filters will draw dust from the air very quickly once being placed into use. It was easy to install, just drop in and turn on. Number 1. Homedics TotalClean HEPA-Type air purifier filter. Are you looking for a way to improve your air quality? These are Homedics TotalClean HEPA-Type replacement filters. They can help create a cleaner and healthier breathing experience. This filter helps capture up to 99% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. It eliminates smoke, dust, and pollen, helping you and your family breathe easier. This filter is a direct replacement for Homedics TotalClean Oscillating Tower Air Purifiers models at PET01, at PET02, and at 45. It is designed to be an odor eliminator for homes and reduces airborne allergens. For optimal performance, replace this filter every 12 months under normal usage conditions. This ensures that it continues to effectively clean the air in your home. The package includes 2 Homedics TotalClean HEPA-Type air purifier filter replacements. Get yours today and start breathing cleaner air. What we like. This filter captures microscopic airborne particles, ensuring cleaner air. It reduces airborne allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. If you are looking for a filter that provides long-lasting performance and helps you breathe easier, you should consider this one. What people say. It fit perfectly. Came packaged well. My entire household has a lot of allergies and my Homedics Oscillating Tower is a wonderful product. Easy to replace filters that work well. Good quality and last for the time frame anticipated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.